Welcome to Birds, Bakes, Bits and Bobs, and this video is going to show you how to make one of the easiest and most delicious desserts, the peppermint tart. You'll only need these 4 ingredients. I'm originally from South Africa and now live in the UK, so I went to my local South African shop to get the Peppermint Crisp chocolate bar and the coconut tennis biscuits. But sometimes as a UK substitute I use the Dairy Mint Crisp, or you can use matchmakers, and for the coconut biscuits you can use the Nice. But don't worry, all these ingredients and their substitutes are down in the description box below. To start, we're going to crush the biscuits into crumbs. I've used the food processor here, but you can crush the biscuits by hand. Your next step is to finely grate the minty chocolate bars. Again, I'm using the food processor to do that work for me, but you can just grate the chocolate by hand using the fine side of the grater. Put these prepped ingredients to one side and let's get started with the cream. So pour your cream into a mixing bowl, and with an electric whisk you're going to whisk that cream until some firm peaks are formed. Now get your caramel and put all of it into the firm cream mixture. Unfortunately, I forgot to record that part, so hence why you've got the latter bit. But now just fold it in. Then add about 1/2 to 3/4 of your grated minty chocolate to that cream mixture and fold it in. Now it's time to put it all together. So to be fancy, you can get a glass or a jar and put a layer of biscuit, then a layer of that creamy mixture, and then a layer of biscuit again, a layer of creamy mixture again, and to top it off, sprinkle on that last remaining bits of chocolate. And there you have a single portion. Or you can do a really big large dish, and very similarly you just put a layer of biscuit, flatten that down, add the layer of minty cream, layer of biscuit, layer of creamy mixture again, and then sprinkle the chocolate on top. And that's all done. The final thing is to put it into the fridge and leave it to set for about 2 to 3 hours. But thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.